Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Our today's topic is little different. So TCS NQT exam, how should you cheat? And should you cheat or not? This is very important because all other students will be cheating in the exam, and that is how they will be able to crack the examination. So you should and must watch the video. Now friends, as a teacher, if you'll ask me, I will say that do not do cheating, or you should not cheat during the examination, and I will never encourage this. But what if all other students are cheating during the exam, they are getting selected, and you are still applying for TCS after 3 months, right? So that question will come. In that case, I will suggest you should and must cheat, but definitely you should cheat in such a way that nobody catches you. I know many of the students will comment that, sir, this is what you are encouraging. See, I'm not encouraging that, but you see what is happening around you. Okay, and if everybody is cheating and getting the job, and if you are not doing, then you might not be able to get a job even though you deserve. Okay, now, so in TCS, after COVID, you can say after 2 years, now going to conduct the examination, and they have two centers. One is at the TCS ION center. Okay, so that is in center. You have to go to the TCS ION center and you have to write the exam. And other option is remote, means you can write the examination from your home itself, right? So these are the two options. Now friends, what happens, there are a lot of Telegram groups are there. I will not name, or I do not name, and we do not support this activity. So now also I'm telling, I never support, neither I will encourage this. But the problem is company is not taking any action. Okay, so see, their algorithm is very good. Okay, but they are still not able to catch what is happening around. Now in that case, what happens, so somebody is putting lot of effort, he is able to solve 10 question, but the someone who is sharing the questions, getting the answers, is able to solve 20 questions. Okay, maybe there are some paid helps are there, unpaid helps are there, lot of things are happening around. Okay, so in that case, you tell me who will get selected, the deserving one, or the one who is taking help of the paid services, or who is doing this kind of things. So obviously the undeserved candidate will be able to get selected, yes or no? Now in that case, if I ask you what should you do, so I will suggest you friends, you also follow the Telegram group. Okay, you also get the answer. First you solve it by yourself, and whatever answers you are not getting, that you can check it out, the answer will be available, might be available. See, for in center these options will not be available. See, my only thing what I wanted to say here is, if everybody is right, so if everybody is cheater, then if you are not, then what is the use? Okay, so there are the lot of proverbs also are there. So if when everybody is cheating, you also do. If you will be honest, then nothing will happen, you will be rejected. Okay, so I still telling, I will not encourage this, but yes, when this is a situation, you should definitely utilize this, because you also want a job in TCS. When company algorithm is not working, when company is not able to properly get hold of all the candidates, then you can also do that, but do it wisely. Okay, because once you see what happens, once you share the question, your ID will be visible here. Okay, your ID will be visible here. And in this Telegram group, don't think that only you, me, and somebody else is there. Okay, so even the company HRs are there. So see, you might be seeing there are many people will be there who will be blocked for a year, okay, so TCS will block them for a year if they will get caught in any kind of malpractice. But how many will get blocked? Have you ever heard? So you might have heard one or two cases. So they are able to find out only 1 or 2 person out of this 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. Okay, so my strong suggestion is, okay, so if everybody is doing, you also do, right? If nobody is doing, you don't do. Okay, because where talent matters, then you show your talents. But here there is no talent matters in this kind of examination. See, the level of the question will be very good. I'm telling you, the level of the question will be very, very good. Okay, but still students are able to clear who does not deserve, who does not have the talent. So I will just say to you, so do the things wisely. And yes, you should cheat if everybody is cheating. I'm telling you openly, but I don't encourage it if nobody is doing and you are doing. Okay. So this is what I wanted to convey you in this video. And obviously this video is little different and I'll be getting mixed comment on the comment section of this particular video. But I don't mind because this is what I have to convey. So deserving should get and non-deserving should not get. That is what I wanted to say. And if you have not followed to our channel yet, then do follow and लाल वाला button भी दबा देना subscribe करके, because this is what keeps us motivating. You can also check our mock test and job related videos. Everything we are doing it for you guys. Thank you. Take care and we'll soon meet in the next video.